know, it's called.
Flood warning in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? Apportioned Greenville County in upstate South Carolina. When? Until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts. Rivers continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details, at 10:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, flooding along the Reedy River and Brushy Creek will linger into this afternoon. Please also be wary of developing flooding along the NRA and possibly Gilder Creek as well. Some locations that may experience flooding include Greenville Downtown, Greenville East Side, West Greenville, Greer, Malden, Taylors, Simpsonville, Berea, Five Forks, Welcome, Donaldson Center, Cherrydale Point, GSP Airport, Paris Mountain State Park, and Fort Shoals. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
It's going to look golden brown, and then we're going to